Hi, let's talk about Didi Global. It's a mobility technology platform that provides ride-hailing and other services in China, Brazil, Mexico, and internationally. It's quite a big company, 74 billion in market cap. Earnings are forecasted to grow over 80% per year. Revenue grew by almost 8% over the past year. It has highly illiquid shares. They had been for 3 days now since the IPO on 13th of June, so only three trading days, and based on previous close, which had been Friday 2nd of July, 15.53. That means we don't have any market performance yet. There's only the 1-year return on the industry that they are working in, but here's US transportation, but it's not so accurate. Valuation side based on tip ranks, currently price target is at around $25, so 60% upside, and market watch has even more, so I don't believe this is well accurate, and it's 161, so an average $141 per share. So this is actually, I'm not sure where the numbers coming from. So this is, I mean, the tip ranks shows better numbers, and Simple Wall Street does not have any price targets yet. Future growth, as I said, over 80% forecasted annual earning growth, and I'm not sure this company is already so big, 74 billion, and it has this kind of growth forecasted, so this is actually pretty good for the company. Earnings per share growth is actually not forecasted. We see actual minus 15 yuans and 15,000, I think, or 15. So this is actually not, is it 15,000 or 15? Past performance 34% last year's earnings growth. The company is unprofitable. Financial health shows that there's a little bit of debt. They do have cash 47 billion, equity 131 billion, and debt 9 billion. So the cash level is well covering the level of debt, which is very good. Balance sheet looks green, and then I'm paying dividends. Ownership breakdown and insider volume, so there's no insider transactions, and actually at the top shareholders, no list available currently. They have been so little on the market, and you see here the volatility is seeing through. So opening lowest 0.14, highest 0.18, not so much, but of course at the trading date there was almost 300 million volume, and then yeah, it decreased by half, 150, and last trading day 100. Based on simple safe dividends, shares outstanding keep increasing, total sales increased as well. That is very good. And yeah, so from the open they had jumped almost 16%. Those who brought it there are -5. So we'll see. I think it has future, but never knows what the regulator says, or would be there a trade war, and so on and so on. But anyway, the investing.com summary is a stock for long-term investors as a buy. Another Coinbase in the market, $10 on a Monday, $5 on Tuesday. We're likely indeed, but also very strange that such news are being published right after being listed. It smells very bad, and of course they are collecting user data. This is actually very, for the beginners, I'm not recommending to invest in kind of those stocks where the IPO is made recently. The volatility is on the highest point, but those who are willing, try to not invest more than 1% of your portfolio and you'll be fine. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.